Again,
TV here, here.
the TV?
Yes.
Not really.
But
Okay.
close.
It's fine, it's fine. No worries. I cannot hear too much noise from your TV. Hey, how are you? Are you good today? Yeah? Is he happy?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's nice. And let's play a game, okay? So here, I want to show you something. So what do you like here? Who do you like?
Royal.
Uh, who? Pororo, Lupi, Eddie, Harry. Yeah. Start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
No. 9. 1, 2,
Oh,
3,
8.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. Oh, who do you like?
Royal.
Who?
Royal.
Pororo, this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Because you like Pororo, Pororo wants to give you a ta-da, a jar of cookies. Do you like a jar of cookies?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. And I will give you a bigger cookie for you.
It's
Yeah.
favorite. Why have a face?
Ah,
No face.
yeah, that's just a smiley, okay? But today we're going to learn about afternoon tea. Can you read this one? Yeah, here. Read this one for teacher Merle. Afternoon tea. Again.
Afternoon tea.
Yes, and do you know that teacher Merle is drinking turmeric tea today? Yeah, I am drinking this one. Do you know this? Let me check it with you. Turmeric tea. This one. Yes. Do you like it? No. Do you like tea?
Nope.
Nope. What do you like to drink?
Milk
Me?
and water.
Milk and water. Wow. Okay. Do you know that when you're drinking milk, that makes your bones really strong? Yes, I like to drink
What
milk.
a cup but have a color.
Again?
Why is I see over the
This one.
clock but is a color? Right.
From my
A
screen?
clock but I
Uh,
don't see a a number.
Are you sure there's a number? Hey, hey, look, there are
I
numbers
don't
here.
see. It's
Okay.
small.
It's small, yes. All right. What about here? What is this? Can you read this for teacher? Cup,
Cup.
cup.
I want a cup of tea.
And for you, Hehe, you like a cup of milk.
Not
Yeah,
cup tea.
cup
Cup
of.
tea. Uh, tea of cup.
Okay. There. A cup of tea. Say it again. A
Cup
cup of
of
tea.
cup.
Tea. Okay. All right.
Tea.
There. And yes. What about here? Tea. I can make some tea.
I can make some tea.
Very good. What about here? Oh, burn. Oh, burn.
Then I burn my
Tongue. Say it again. Tongue. How do you?
tongue.
Yes. Have you tried burning your tongue? Hehe. Have you tried that?
Yes.
Oh, and how? Yeah, how
I
does it feel when you burn your tongue?
but I say I eat it now. I eat burn.
Again, when you burn your tongue, it hurts, right?
Mm.
Yes. Okay, so if it's hot milk, you really have to be careful drinking it so that you don't hurt your tongue. Okay? No, 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 no. You maybe want to play games, huh? Do you want me to change my voice? Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you like me
Yeah.
to? Yeah? Okay. All right, here. Wait, I'll show you. You want me to change my voice? Okay, here. Let's play a game. Right here.
Hey, get them. Hey.
Here, wait. Hi, hey, hey. How are you today? Are you doing great, just like Teacher Merle? I changed my voice. Did you hear that? You want fly?
Yeah.
Hello, Hehe. How are you today? Are you ready to read the stories with Teacher Merle?
What is going on?
Come on. Come on.
What is going on?
Number one, what is this? Can you write it? What is number one? What is that? It's, what is this? Is that glass? No, it is what do we call that? A cup, right?
Teacher, don't write it.
Don't write. Please don't write,
Don't
teacher.
write it.
Please, please. Okay. I will not write anymore.
Yes.
Okay, very good. You write it yourself. Cup, cup, cup. Tina. And then number two is tea. Can you spell tea? T-E-A. Yeah, very good. And number three is ha, 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 burn. How do you spell burn? I want you to burn. Burn for me, baby. Here, can you spell it? B. Come on, try to write it. Burn, B-U-R-N.
Wait.
There. Okay, burn. That is correct. Okay, that is burn. So let me.
I hurt my finger.
You hurt your finger?
Yes. My
What?
ball is broken.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Why? Where'd you hurt your thumb? What happened?
It hurts.
You hurt it? Is it painful? Oh, okay. All right. Don't worry. Just maybe apply some ointment like this one. Yeah. This is what teacher do. Yeah.
I have I don't have.
Oh, you don't have. Oh, maybe you can ask mommy to help you with that, okay? So that it doesn't get any more, okay? All right. Okay, here. What about here, Hehe? What is the right sentence for this? Can you tell me? I. What is the sentence? I. Hmm. What is the sentence? Can you read that for teacher Merle? What is that? I want a cup of tea. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Try it. I want a cup of tea. Should I write or you will write it for me? Okay.
Yes.
I want a cup of tea. My gosh, that is so perfect. Very good. Okay, maybe I need to give you something like this one. Good job. Okay. Here, let's find some memes for you to check on. Okay. What do you like? Maybe Teacher Mel will give you what should
B, B,
I
B. So cute.
so cute? Yes, that's boy smart. Good job.
You're wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong.
Draw
You're wrong.
now.
You're wrong.
Here, I'll.
Good job, guys.
Good job, Hehe.
Good job.
Yeah, good job. Okay. Here, what about this? Can you answer this for me? That is so easy. You can do it. I know you can. Yeah. Here, let me put it here. I can. What is that? I can make some tea. Is that right?
I can make some tea.
Yes. Do I write it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Teacher Merle will write it for you. Okay.
No, no,
Yeah.
no.
You write it and I write it too. Okay.
No.
Okay. All right. You write it then. I can make some tea.
Some money.
Huh? I can make some money? Wow. Yeah. That can be too.
Tea, 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 tea.
Mm-hmm. There's some tea.
Tea. What the hell?
Very good. I can make some tea. What about number 3? I burn my tongue. Huh?
What?
I burn my tongue. I burn my tongue. Do I write it?
Yeah.
Oh,
No.
oops. Nope. I'll write it for you.
No.
Okay. I, you write I. I burn my tongue. Very good, hehe. That's what I like. Correct spelling. I burn my tongue. One more. I want you now to read this for Teacher Merle, okay? Read it for me. What is your sentence? I can.
Miss something. I burn my tongue.
Okay, so here, let's play another game. What do you like? What ball do you like?
Football.
Football, this one. Because you like football, you're amazing. Yes. Do you like Spider-Man?
Yep. No.
Nope, you
Yep.
don't like
No.
Spider. Yeah, okay. Here, I have some sets of school things. What do you like? I like.
I want
Okay, I want
some portion.
potion.
Yeah.
What are you going to do with the potion? Hehe.
Science.
Oh, it's science, chemicals, not potion. Okay, it's yeah, learn chemicals, right?
Pizza.
Yes, you like
A
pizza
pizza
too?
is
Ah,
uh,
ah,
say
okay, here. So this one, I have my supermarket. What do you like here? What do you like to buy?
one buy huge
Huh?
pizza of
Pizza? Is there a pizza?
uh, of I take a huge pizza, go to school. I throw in the
You
pizza
buy, huh? Hey, you're going to buy the pizza and then you're going to throw it?
here.
OMG, you're wasting money. Why throw it? Maybe you can give that to a friend. Okay, now let's read the story. Come on, read the story for me. Good afternoon, Cindy.
Hello, Cindy, how are you? I am fine. It's very cold and stuff. Do
Do
you
you
want
want a cup?
of tea?
Okay,
Yes, I want a
a
cup
cup
and
of
tea.
tea. Okay, please sit at the
Please sit at the table. You can eat some cake while I make the tea. Oh, great. These cakes are delicious.
Okay, very good. Now the
Oh,
tea is hmm,
now the tea is ready. It
hot.
is very hot. Please be careful. Ouch, that is very hot. Burn my tongue.
Okay. Oh, so poor she burned her tongue. And then here, drink some.
Need drinks, drink some cold water. Hot tea is dangerous. I will
Dangerous.
drink some cold water. I will be more careful next time.
Okay. Say it again. Dangerous.
Dangerous.
Yes, dangerous. Okay. And then, so if you burn your tongue, what will you do with that?
Drink some good water.
Yes, you have to drink some cold water, but not hot water because it will make it worse. So the best is you drink some cold water. Okay? There. And then what about this one? What about here? So can you match it? Use your pen, okay? Okay, T, and then, okay, bird. Did you get it right? Yes.
Say, teacher, I say you. Something good. I
You
say we teacher.
will say,
Lily. Now I changed my full t-shirt suit. No, I go to a pool now.
you will go to,
Pool. Yeah.
you will go to the pool? You will change clothes?
Yes.
When?
And I say with you finish.
Today?
Yeah.
Let's finish first your lesson, okay? Then later on, you can go night swimming. Who are you going to swim with?
I
Yeah.
finished. I
Oh.
finished now.
You finished, wait. You finished swimming?
Yeah.
And who did you swim with?
With other friends.
Other friends.
I don't like I want to write letter, but it's small, but I don't write.
Okay, yes.
But I try it.
You tried it? Yes, you tried it. And was it fun? Did you like it?
Yeah.
That's the most important one, to enjoy it, okay? Right. Thank you for sharing that, Hehe. Now going back to our lesson, can you fill in the blanks for me? What is the answer for number 1? Do you want a? You can write it or teacher will write it for you.
I write it. I
I'll
try.
write it. Okay, very good.
Where are you?
Do you want a?
Cupcake.
I want a cup of tea, not a cupcake. Do you want a cup of tea? Yes, that is right. What about number 2? Anna? What happened to Anna?
Beanie.
Come on, try it.
Beanie.
Try number 2. Should I write it? Okay, I'm going to write it. Answer it now. Okay, let's please.
Beanie.
Anna.
Riddles.
Come on. Let's not waste time. Let's answer this one. Anna.
Right.
Bird. Where is it? Bird. Okay. And next one, you can eat. Tea. Okay, can you read? Read.
There's one cup of chili and a bit of tongue.
Her tongue. Anna
Tongue.
burned her tongue. You can.
It is chunky while I make the cheese
Yes, very
of
good.
burning.
Okay, this one, is this easy or difficult? Hehe, can you try this? What would be the answer for this one? Right? What could be the sentence here? I like. I will be more. I will be more. More careful next time. Very good. I will be more careful. Careful. This is the word. The next word is careful. This one, hehe. Careful. I will be careful. Careful. Very good. Next time.
But I don't go to I
Be
will
more careful. Next time. This one. Time.
I don't see a letter. Where
Time.
I click so far.
Time. Yeah.
Didi. I will.
Next time. Letter E. You're missing letter E. Yeah. Letter E. And what is your huh?
Time.
Yeah, very good. Time. So, can you read the sentence? I will be. Yeah. So, if you don't like, yes. Wait, you listen, you listen. So, how will you not burn your tongue? What should you do? I should not drink. You should drink hot water. If you accidentally burn your tongue. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So we're running out of time now. So Teacher Mo will see you again. When will I see you? Hehe. Tomorrow? No, 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 no.
Okay, tomorrow
When?
I go.
No, no, I will not. When? Tomorrow. No, I will see you. What's your name? Wednesday. I'll see you Wednesday again, okay?
Yeah.
You be a good boy. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you.